My name is Ndura. I work with Riari Agri-Hub, a seed merchant in Kenya, in the marketing and communication department. We have been dealing with farmers, potato farmers throughout the country, and we have been observing the challenges, especially on the spraying. We communicate with farmers asking about the spraying program. They are having bright issues. But having interacted today with the scientists is very interesting, listening from the horse mouth, because the first time the GMO concept came in, we had so many questions coming from the farmers, but we couldn't speak from the point of knowledge, and we used to decline commenting on GMOs. And today's event it was so knowledgeable, because from the seed merchant perspective, we have been able to understand what the researchers and the scientists are doing, and we have understood the biosafety issues coming around this research period, that whatever is being researched on by the scientists is purely safe for food consumption when the research is done. And then again, we have observed on the trial site that we have these demos showing the varieties with the genes, the resistance gene character traits, and different ones that don't have the genes that are the GMOs, and a very big difference. The GMO have a high resistance to blight compared to those that don't have the GMO genes. And looking at a perspective of how these potatoes are behaving, we highly recommend the GMOs, because they give an economic empowerment to farmers, because currently we are receiving communications, photos all over the country, especially right now. Most potatoes have been affected by blight. So if we have this one coming to implementation as fast as possible, we'll be able to have challenges, to minimize the challenges that come up with blight. This has been an issue that has been triggering potato deficit in the country for almost 3 years now in a row. So even as much as the seed producers are trying to bridge the deficit for the seed, you find that if we provide seed, then the blight comes. So if we're able now the seed merchants are able to bring up the good varieties, and then if this thing is approved, the varieties that have the GMO are approved and commercialized, then we'll be able to operate them as seed merchants.